Students, today we will do exercise 3 from question number 9. From question number 1 to 8 you have done yesterday. Now let's start question number 9. What least number must be added to 1056 to get a number exactly divisible by 23? To find the least number, first of all we will divide 1056 by 23. Now 23 4 ja 92, 136, 23 5 ja 150. Our remainder is 21. Now to make it completely divisible, we want it is short by 2. If it will be 23, then it will go by 6, not by 5. So it is short by 2. It means if we add 2 to the 1056, then this number will be completely divisible by 23. Let's check it. Four ja 92, 138. Now 23 6 ja 138. Now this 1058 is completely divisible by 23, leaving the remainder 0. Question number 10. Find the largest 4-digit number divisible by 16. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. First we will divide this number by 16. Now 16 6 ja 96, remainder 3. 16 2 ja 32, 7 9, and 16 4 ja 64, remainder is 15. Now we have to find the largest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 16. It means there should be no remainder. So we will subtract 15 from 9999. So that number will be completely divisible by 16. 9984. Now this 9984 will be completely divisible by 16. Number 12. Find the least 6-digit number exactly divisible by 83. We have to find the number of 6 digits which will be divisible by 83. First of all, we will divide 6-digit number by 83. One 83. Remainder is 17. We will bring down 0. 2 ja 166. Remainder is 4. This is smaller, so we will bring down 0. Again this is smaller, we will put 0. It will be 400. 83 4 ja 332. Remainder is 66. Now we have to find the number, least 6-digit number which is divisible by 83. Now we can't subtract the remainder from this, then it will be a 5-digit number. So we are short by the difference of 83 and 68. If we will add the difference of 83 and 68 to this number, least 6-digit number, then that number will be exactly divisible by 83 and it will be the least 6-digit number. It is 50. So what we will do? We will add 15 to it. The number will be, now this number is exactly divisible by 83. We can check it. It is 83. Remainder is 17. Bring down 0. 2 ja 163. Remainder is 4. We will bring down 1, it is still smaller. 40 will bring down 5. 83 5 are 450. Now remainder is 0. It means this is the required number, which is exactly divisible by 83. Question number 14. 19,625 trees have been equally planted in 157 rows. Find the number of trees in each row. It means these trees have been divided into these rows. So to find the number of trees in each row, what we will do? We will divide the number of trees by the number of rows. So 157. Remainder is 9 here. 53. 2 brought down. 2 ja 314. Remainder is 78. 5 brought down. 5 just 785. It means 125 trees are planted in each. We can check our answer by multiplying number of trees by the number of rows, then we will get this. Let's check it. Now see. The population of a town is 5,17,530. If 1 out of every 15 is reported to be literate, find how many literate persons are there in the town. In this, we have to find the total literate persons in the town. And out of 15, every one is literate. It means out of these, how many will be literate? We will divide this total population by 15. Total population is we will divide this population by 15 because out of 15, 1 is literate, and out of 5,17,530 to find the literate out of these, we have to divide it by 15. So we'll start dividing. 15 3 ja 45. Remainder is 6. We will bring down 7. 15 4 ja 60. Remainder 7. We bring down 5. 15 5 ja 75. Remainder is 0. We will bring down 3. Now here it will be 0. We'll bring down 0. 15 2 ja 30. It means 34,502 people are literate in the